Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service, is Amazon Web Services' object storage solution. It provides a scalable, secure, and cost-effective way to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the internet. S3 forms the backbone of cloud storage infrastructure and is one of the most widely used AWS services globally. Amazon S3 is an object storage service that allows you to store and retrieve unlimited amounts of data at any time. It's built on global infrastructure, ensuring your data is highly scalable, durable, and available whenever you need it. Security is built into every layer, with comprehensive access controls and encryption options. The best part? You only pay for what you use, making it extremely cost-effective for businesses of all sizes. To understand S3, you need to know 3 fundamental concepts. First, buckets are containers that hold your objects, and each bucket must have a globally unique name across all of Oz. Second, objects are the actual files you store in buckets, consisting of your data and associated metadata. Third, keys are unique identifiers for each object within a bucket, essentially acting as the file name or path to locate your stored data. Every object in S3 has a unique URL that follows a specific structure. For example, https://my-bucket.s3.amazonos.com/photos/image.jpg. In this URL, my dash bucket is the bucket name, amazonos.com indicates the Oz domain and region, and photos/image.jpg is the object key or path to the file within the bucket. S3 offers exceptional durability of 99.9999999%, which is 11 nines, meaning your data is incredibly safe from loss. It's designed for 99.99% availability, ensuring your data is accessible when needed. Scalability is unlimited, allowing you to store as many objects as you want without worrying about capacity. Each individual object can be up to 5 terabytes in size, making S3 suitable for storing anything from small documents to large video files. S3 offers different storage classes to optimize costs based on how frequently you access your data. S3 Standard is for frequently accessed data requiring low latency and high throughput. S3 Intelligent Tiering automatically moves data between access tiers based on changing patterns, optimizing costs without manual intervention. S3 Standard IA, or Infrequent Access, is for data accessed less often but requires rapid retrieval when needed. S3 Glacier provides long-term archival storage with flexible retrieval options ranging from minutes to hours, perfect for compliance and backup data. Amazon S3 is incredibly versatile and serves many purposes. It's widely used for backup and disaster recovery, providing a reliable destination for critical business data. You can host static websites directly from S3, serving HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images globally. Data lakes and analytics platforms use S3 to store massive datasets for big data processing and machine learning. Media companies rely on S3 to store and deliver images, videos, and audio files efficiently to users worldwide. Let's recap the essential points. Amazon S3 is object storage designed for massive scalability and 11 nines of durability. Objects are stored in buckets and identified by unique keys, forming the foundation of S3's organization. Multiple storage classes help you optimize costs based on access patterns and performance requirements. S3 is ideal for numerous use cases including backups, website hosting, analytics, and media storage. Understanding these fundamentals prepares you to leverage S3 effectively in your cloud architecture.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.